Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. We are live. We are back for the Asia session. Oh, let me just mute myself there. We got about a minute and 10 seconds before the market open. Ladies and gentlemen, get grab your popcorn and sit down, get ready for a show. Let's go ahead and look at what happened yesterday during Asia. The last Asia session was around here. We opened up looking like we were faking to the upside, moved on up a bit, and then we just tanked. So for tonight's session, do we continue moving down? We are in overall bearish market, so gotta keep that in mind. All right, got about 20 seconds now until the market open. Ladies and gentlemen, place your bets. Whoa. All right. Place your bets. Oh, here we go. We are open. Are we gonna move on up? We did close red. Technically, so this Asia session is the open of next day. So right now, huge sell. We got 500s coming up. 29 500s. Do we try to break that tonight for Asia? And then during London, we rip up? What's going to be the news? I mean, right now it looks like the bulls are winning. Have a little bit of a gap to 29 560s, and it's about 14 points. Yesterday, though, we did just kind of move on up. So, do the bears want to flush this down? We come down here to 20. Sometimes not always the case, though. I'm gonna go in two contracts long here, which put a stop loss at 64. About a little bit of a stop. Oh, wow. Immediately flushed out, down 524. Looks like we had some momentum there for a bit. We are already down. That did not work out at all. Oh. Whoa. We're moving down, ladies and gentlemen. Does this mean that we are selling? Mike does. All right, I think we're back now. Oh my goodness. I think we are back. My sound disconnected. My cable kind of came loose. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. You got to be joking me. Alright, but thanks for calling that out, man. Alright, appreciate that. Honestly, I should do more soundtracks, but sometimes it just doesn't. You'd think that it works, but sometimes it just doesn't. Oh, uh-oh. We were up, now we're down. Yo, what's going on? Don't do this to me now, NASDAQ. Oh, that is nasty. I think I'm about to vomit. What a move. Oh my goodness, dude. Should have taken profit up there, eh? Should have taken a profit up there, eh? Yeah, but hey. It's part of the charm. Now that it's happened, it's happened. I'm gonna hold on. We're gonna hodl. Let this trade play out. Yeah, let's hope that that was just a fake sell by the bears. Or the bulls just kind of giving up steam. Really want to see them push through and close above. Up in the 580 area would be pristine. But the more they chop here, the more reason, the more ammo they're just giving to the bears. So I want to see the bulls really just keep pushing with authority here. We are above VWAP. But want to see us really push past 580 above these wicks. It's going to be a bit of a fight. We had some struggle at 585 coming into the close. So want to see the bulls step back in here again. Really want to see 585 break. If we can break I think if the bulls can break 585, you know, we can go to 600. Obviously, not financial advice. You do you and I'm do me. Sorry. Excuse me. Come on, boys. We need y'all to rip through here. The more you stall down here, the more ammo you're just giving to the bears. Need y'all to push through. Here we go, 5 minute pushing 580. Can we get this break of 580? It's doing everything in its power to hold it down below 580. Take profit is 25A 580. No, my take profit is up here. So I'm in a long position right now. So my entry is this blue line. If you're looking at my screen, if you see the position where it shows like green, if this is red, that means I'm going short. But since it's green, I want the market to go up. So if the market is going up, I have sell orders up here. My TP is up at 29,602.50 and some change. Yep. And then my stop loss is down here. So 29,548 is my stop loss. Oh, uh-oh. Come on, bulls. Push. Push. Keep pushing. Push. Oh. He is kind of dwindling. Don't do this to me now. Don't do this, NASDAQ. You don't want to. You don't want to do this. I thought we'd get a good strong push up to 600 immediately. I just hope it doesn't absolutely dump. Because yesterday's Asia session, I'm gonna go look at it very quick. Kind of follow the same thing. We were just well, I guess we kind of sold down and then it went up around like 6. But I want to see the bulls just keep stepping in with authority. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Okay. Can we get the move to the top? I don't like that they're hanging out right here. It's not the best. But we're gonna play this out. We're gonna have to play this out. If I get stopped out, then I get stopped out. See, candles are setting up good. Yesterday though, we did go up and then we sold. So can we just keep moving up for this session? Today though, we did close super red. Super red. Huge move to the downside. Especially from London. If you cut the London highs for short, you're in profit. Pretty big. I think the highs, let's go check it out here. Let me flip to my other screen. This is what I'm talking about right here. Insane. All the way from 30,100 to, that's basically almost, I mean, that's over 50 points. I mean, sorry. That's over 500 points. If you caught 500 points, dog. It's kind of crazy. Shoot, sign me up for that. I want to catch 500 points. Every day. Making money in the way I wanted to, you know? Not 500 points of losing, but 500 points winning. Alright. Bulls are stalling a little bit here. Gotta get above 80. I'm right now it is Central. I'm in Central, so it's 5:11 for me, or 5:12 p.m. So right at the open. My the Asian opens at 5 for me. Indeed, yep. Oh! Come on, blast up. Like Team Rocket. Blast off to the 600s. Come on. Blast up. 611. Oh, are you on Eastern? East Coast? Oh, hey, let's go. Come on, push it. Push it. Come on. Nice. So you get to trade New York Open at 9:30. It's almost perfect. Actually, I mean, maybe I'm biased. I'm in Central, so it kind of works out for me. 8:30 is, it's not too early, but it's almost not too late. I feel like if I moved to East Coast, 9:30 would probably be a little bit too late for me. Probably not. I mean, I probably would flip my schedule and try to make it work around it. But, I mean, normally I don't like waking up unless it's a day that I just want to just relax. But for me, with my schedule, if I wake up around like 10, or even like 9:30 pushing, right? Like the actual New York Open for New York time, I feel like I would have wasted my day. Wake up at 7 every day. Dang, what do you do? I mean, I used to wake up around like 6 for my job when I was working a job, but what do you, 7 a.m. every day? Actually, no, I think that would make sense. I mean, if you're, depending where you're at, I guess, if you work somewhere big in a big city, you obviously have traffic in the whole 9 yards and whatnot. But yeah, I mean, if I wake up past that, you know, past 9:30, dude, I feel like I would have wasted a day. Oh, smart. I can't remember too. Do you trade futures or are you in the options market? Do you do like options and day trade there? Since you mentioned scanning. Retail trader? Oh, so I'm assuming you're in the options. So like you scan for just, you probably don't trade these, but I'm just using them as an example, okay? So like Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, like that. You trade those stocks? Or am I just like completely off the rail? All right, let's go, come on. Come on, bulls, come on. I want to see them rally through here. I don't like the ESSM at the highs, but I'm gonna move this to break even. At this point, I want to see the bulls really rally through here, break through 85 and continue going up. If they come down and stop me out, good chance that the bears take control again. And realistically, I don't want that. So need them to break through 80, break through 8. I mean, preferably close up at 90s, right? Ultimately is a plan. You never trade options and futures. Ah, okay. Gotcha, man. Well, yeah, I mean, just whatever I say should never be taken as financial advice, but I mean, I'm right there with you too. Back when I first started about, 5 years ago, I guess, at this point, I was in the same boat that you were, trying to find a market to trade. And I was honestly okay with trading options. Like I was okay with waking up, scanning the market, whatever I had to do, because obviously the PDT was still in effect. But for me, I was like, man, I'll do whatever it takes. If I have to wake up at 3, scan, take trades before I go to work, I'll do it. And then I landed on futures because, well, not because, but I somehow randomly just landed on futures. And with futures, you can day trade without the PDT. Obviously, PDT is no longer in effect. Now, I think, I don't know the full details, but I haven't really traded options in a long time. I've only been stuck with futures, but futures is great. Obviously, the leverage is higher as well. And the beauty about futures is that you can literally open up your own live account with $500, right? You can take that, you can make $500 out of $500 in a day. Versus if you are trading options, or let's say that you have Robinhood, whatever, Webull, right? And you want to buy, let's say, Nike as a stock. I think they're like $40 a share right now. So if you wanted to make $100, you'd have to buy quite a bit of shares of Nike in order to make $100. But with futures, you only trade one market. You can trade NASDAQ, you can trade the S&P 500, you can trade gold, you can trade silver. There's so much more, right, that I haven't really messed with, but you can turn $500 into $500 in a day. With options, can't really do that. Now, obviously, higher reward means higher risk as well in futures. So you can make $500 in a day, but you can lose that very quick. But that's with anything stock market, related trading. You can lose money just as quick as you make it. The leverages and futures are amazing. That's why I traded it. But it can be dangerous as well. So just keep that in mind. But with futures, you have prop firms. So you know, that's the beauty. Meet the change, try to be prop ASAP. Yeah. No, I get you, man. I haven't specifically traded in like that in that market, but I understand where you're coming from. For me though, I like Nasdaq because you don't really have to deal with that. About the stock market open up, because with futures, if you since you're on East Coast time, the market will open at 6 a.m. your time, and there's a 1 hour window from basically Monday through Thursday, I guess. The market really opens up on Sunday night at 6 p.m. your time. Okay. And then it runs until 5 p.m. your time the next day. So futures is basically, it's almost 24/7, but it's not. But you don't have to worry about that at all. Futures, you can literally trade if you are busy during the mornings. Guess what? You can come back at night, trade the Asia. Now the market is going to be a little bit slow, obviously, like what you're seeing now, but it can be nice if you have your strategy. Strategy, you can just kind of change it however you want, but really the strategies are the same is what I'm trying to say. Strategies are the same regardless of what session you are trading. It's just that getting to profit, taking profit and stuff is going to be a little bit slower. Yes, correct. Futures, you can trade from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. the next day. And then the market will be closed for an hour. So from 5 to 6, the market will be closed, and then the market will open right at 6 again. So there's only 1 hour that is closed. And obviously, on the weekends, it's not going to be open, right? Saturday, futures market is closed. There's no Asia session for Friday. So hold on, let me backtrack. No Asia session for Friday. And then there is an Asia open for Sunday, if that makes sense. Okay. Oh, probably should take. I'm gonna move my TP here to 950. I'm gonna take profit there. I'm gonna put myself up at least $400 on this evaluation count. I should have taken it whenever I was above 2,000, but not bad, not bad. I was down 500, so coming back from that is pretty good. But back to what I was talking about before I got distracted. Futures is great, man. Obviously, you have prop firms too, or if you want to go the live route. At least whenever I was trading live, I don't know if the margins have changed, right? Like always, this is just not financial advice, but you can open up your own live account with $500, and you can trade the micros of these instruments. And basically, you need to have $100 in order to trade one micro contract. So having $500 is usually what I would start with, so you have some buffer to play around with. And you can do a lot of damage with micros too. Not gonna lie. With futures, right now, NASDAQ, I'm trading what's known as the E-mini. So each tick is basically worth $5. So what are tick values? These are tick values, right? You see how we go by, follow my mouse here. Let me try to zoom in a little bit further. You go from 587 to, it's not letting me go any further. But each tick is basically a quarter. And it's worth, I'm trying to do the math here. I think it's, you know what? Anyways, there's tick values. I'm trying to think too much. but 1 point is worth $20. Now, if you cut that down to just one micro, each point is worth around $2. And you might be thinking, well, why don't I want to make the, why would I trade micro? Why don't I just trade and try to make more money? Well, micros, you can still make a lot of money. I traded 5 micros this morning after taking loss, and I was able to make back like $600. Micros are not to be underestimated. The beauty about it too is obviously you're making less money on the front end, but on the back end you can have a bigger stop loss. Because what I normally trade for my brackets, I have a 41 point stop, 41 point take profit, and 50 point stop loss. So I'm risking every time $250 a trade, and $250 for this 50 tick stop loss is about 12 points. And 12 points, 10 points really is a pretty tight range, especially if you are trading the New York session where it's like super volatile and super whippy. You will get stopped out. I mean, you'd have to have a sniper entry, right? I do it, but it takes some time getting adjusted to. Versus if you just switch down to micros, you size down, you de-risk, you can have wider stop losses, and that's the neat thing. And honestly, I will eventually trade some other stocks as well, like options and stuff, because I do want to do some swing trading. But with futures, man, I just love it because you just have so much more leverage, and you can trade around the clock too, right, to fit your schedule. There's a couple guys too that are that also come to the chat as well, Dustin, and there's another guy, I haven't seen him in a while, but hey, look at that, I'm glad I took TP. I'm glad I took profit. I mean, I'm pretty set with this account. I really wanted to push it to around $1,500, but to be honest, I'm just gonna sit here probably maybe another 30 minutes. Try to see what happens. Oh gosh, that's an ugly move. I mean, if the bears want to break down, I think we are setting for a dump. I would not be opposed to going short here. Am I glad I took profit though? Literally right at the top. I just felt that I shouldn't get greedy, and it's coming to help out. What I do eventually want to do though, I mean, I can do it now because I actually have time, because I'm trading full time now, is trade the London session, but that's like way early for me. That's right at midnight, and I kind of need my rest. I need my beauty sleep for a New York Open, you know? Yeah, dude, this red candle, I mean, you would see this in anywhere, any stock market. It's not just here, but man, like this is crazy. It just went up and it just immediately just dumped. So it looks like the bears might be coming back through. Now, if they engulf this bearish candle and close back up here at 75 and turn VWAP back into support, then, you know, I think the bulls are back in town. But right now, looks like the bears are in control. You got the range down here, just drawing some zones. This is where we bounced off earlier in the day. So New York lows, which I actually, I don't think I cut this move. But New York lows at 29,513, so good chance if they hold the bear flag, they could dump down here. Just some food for thought. Sounds good, man. Appreciate it, dude. Enjoy your dinner, bro. Enjoy your dinner, bro. Trying to combine words. Enjoy your dinner. Bears are coming through here. Did they just wipe out the lows here? Afternoon lows. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, wait, yep. Here we go. What's going on? Don't tell me it's gonna rush back up here. Is it gonna pull a double reversal? Reverse 1 and then reverse 2. Right back up? I don't think so. We're about to open up a new 3-minute and 5-minute in about 10 seconds here. Premature open. Yeah, I think the Bears are back, boys and girls. That's right, gentlemen. There are female traders as well, not just men. So, I don't want to discriminate. That's not me. I ain't one to discriminate. You know, you can be a man or woman and make money trading. Oh, here we go, coming to the lows. Don't tell me it's gonna reverse here. That would be so nasty. That would be a nasty move. Would be dirty. Here we go, continuing to move down. Looks like the short play at 50 was probably maybe one of the right moves. But I'm looking for shorts now at this point. Just trying to find some short entries, but not the biggest fan of this short pattern right here. I don't want to short here because I feel like it's chasing. So maybe give them some time to form like one green pullback candle, right? Set one green, maybe try to push 55s. I think you're talking about leaving a fake. So entry short up here. One green pullback candle, fake out the bears. Fake out the bulls, and then it drops, or it just continues going on here. I mean, that works too, I guess. That, I guess, works as well. Hey! Oh! Uh-oh. Whatever, though, if this reverses back up, that is going to be crazy. Oh! Oh, never mind. They heard me say reverse, and they just dumped right back down. Oh! There's no way the bulls are going to come in and reverse this back up, right, guys? All right, I think maybe the bears are still in this. ES closed. Green. Oh. No, the bears are not done. It's so slow though. Also, I don't think we have any news tomorrow. I kind of checked a little bit ago as well. So tomorrow, Wednesday, might be a trendy day. I mean, today kind of just chopped, to be honest. Well, I say chop, but yeah, I mean, we just chopped and went lower. Bears are strong here though, so do they get the strength to push down? The more they just play around here, the more ammo they're going to give to the bulls to trying to run it back up. Let's go take a look. ES. ES is not at the lows. What does that mean? Get a quick little pop back up. We'll wait. We've got about 2 more minutes until the next 3-minute candle. Really want to see how ES reacts. I mean, ES isn't at the lows. They're both, ES and NASDAQ are both at lows, but they're stalling here. I figured I'd see some strength from the bears to try to push it through, but oh, no. Hey, there we go. We'll go into contracts long here. We'll play a pretty tight stop loss. See if they want to run back up to 50s. To the 50s. Get just a little quick pop, just pop, pop. Quick little pop back up. Whoa, whoa. Uh-oh. Ooh. What's gonna happen here? Do we get a pop from the bulls? ES tried popping up, but no avail. Oh. Uh-oh. Not looking good, folks. Not looking good. Looking to just target the highs of this wick here. Let's form a little bear flag before you do a little dumperoski. All right. What's going on here? We are not getting any movement. Come on. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. No. Don't come down. Don't do it. You don't want this, NASDAQ. You don't want to. Well. Alright, we are now into contracts. Uh-oh. Oh. NASDAQ is toying with me here. Get up there. Get up there. Blowing it. Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on. Get up there. Go back up to 50s for a bit. You don't want to go down. Not yet, not yet. Oh, uh-oh. And stop. Hey, but guess what? We're still up $200. Hey, look at that. All right, you're gonna keep falling down? It's now performing their stair stepper of death. That's what I like to call it. If they close near 45, ooh, actually, no. It's falling. We are getting a replication, or it's replicating what happened here. Look at that, just green, 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 and then pop up. So let's give it a bit. Give it a minute. It's now down to the range that I drew out. Funny enough, though, right? Hey, look at that. Am I good or what? Oh. Oh. All right, congratulations. If you went short up here at 50s, congrats on your 20 points. ES is finally breaking down too. Hold on, I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back, folks. Don't go anywhere. All right, I'm back. Oh, what's going on here? What? Huge little pop to the downside. I mean, at some point we gotta get a pullback, right? 5-minute pullback. Let me show you what I'm looking at on the 5-minute here. Finally starting to get a little bit of a pullback on the 5-minute chart. We might start to chop here now. So, as counterintuitive as it is, I will look to take some counter trend trades. Just for some quick little scalps. New 3-minute candle here in about 15 seconds. So, let's see where we end up. What a move down though. If you caught from up here, 85, congratulations. Dang, back already, Tudu. My man, you were gone for like 2 seconds. You just scarfed down your food. I mean, I'm impressed, dude. You know, if you can eat your food that quick, but enjoy your dinner, man. Enjoy it. Like my mom said, your food ain't going anywhere. She doesn't speak like that. I'm sorry. But you know, yeah, dude, enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your food. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, you didn't watching? Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, you missed it, but I took a loss, man. I was up $400. Now I'm only down to 208. It's not bad though. I'm still up. Can't be mad. I can't be mad. I was looking to take a long down here if it would have popped down, but now that it's moving up, that's how I feel about it. I feel disgusted. Getting in long now is not a good spot, unless it really just goes back up all the way to 50. That would suck for me, but oh, don't tell me it's gonna do this. One green candle now and then it falls. Dude, how nasty would that be? That would be a dirty move. One green candle and it just flips to the downside again. Let's just wait to see what happens. For one, just reversal back up to 50s? I don't know. I don't know. $35s are coming up. We got a new 5-minute, 3-minute in about 12 seconds. I mean, I don't think we're done selling yet. Just me being, you know. I'm gonna size in here. Put my stop loss above here, around 48s. If it wants to pop back up, give me a quick little love tap in and then dump down. I would not be mad. We still got the bottom of this range, so I don't think we're done selling. Now I could be wrong, but this is just my opinion, right? And I am entitled to my own opinions. So yeah. Put it right at 20s. See if we can get this continuation to keep going down. Lows of New York are right here. 14. 514. Whoa, whoa. Well, hey, we made it back, kind of. I knew we were not done selling yet. I just had a gut feeling. I've seen this little big move, 1 week pullback, and then the continuation. At least for playing the range, and then waking out people. But should I go long here now? Do it? No. Let's wait to see what happens, see if it still wants to actually chop here a little bit more. If it closes below 20, I would assume the bears will want to close this below 20s to keep the continuation down. But if they close back up here on 28s, 30s, like coming back into this range, then I think the bulls are back in for a bit. I would not be opposed to take it long here to play the range, break up 35 again up here. Looks like we're getting it. Maybe. This may be dumb, but I'll take it. This may be dumb, but I will take it. Back to the top, 35s. Play back to the tops. Play the range. Actually, no. Yes, this closes at the bottom of the range, so don't fall for it yet. Because just when you think it's gonna be chopping, it's not yet. We'll wait. See how we react to 30s. I'm gonna go short here instead. I'll do the opposite. And then we'll take it for a break below the 20s. Stop just right at the highs. We'll just take the continuation of the short here. See if the bear still got the juice to keep coming down. Uh-oh. Oh, looks like I may be wrong here. But I'll eat this loss if I'm wrong. I can always get back in. I can always get back in. Can always get back in if I want to. There we go, finally testing 30s. Will we really run it back up to 35s? I don't think they're done selling yet. Come on, NASDAQ. Come back through. Y'all are not done yet. It's going to be a bit of a fight, though, I think, to get down here. 515. I mean, that's the New York lows, so. Oh, okay. Let's get this continuation of the flush. Come on, Bears. Continue flushing down. You're not done yet. If they can break the 20s, that's what I'm looking to see, the break of 20s. I'm gonna de-risk now, and I'm gonna put this right above 38 at 31. I don't want to see it get above that. I want to see us continue this flush right here. And if they don't, then they don't. Oh, ES had a big wick to the downside. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Don't be doing this. Get back down there. Keep flushing. You're not done selling yet. You still got a little bit more room to go. Don't be stingy here, NASDAQ. Come on, Bears. Take everything you need. Take as much as you need. Oh, uh-oh. No bueno. All right, no steam. I'm perfectly at 250. Are we really done? Oh man, did I just get waked out? Hold on, give it some time. Give it some time. They wanted that 35s. Looks like it's going to be a lot more troublesome to break the lows. ES did break below for a quick second, but the wick was just not a beautiful wick. Where it left a kind of a hammer candle kind of wick. Oh! Go. Looking to take this short again. see if we can get this continuation of the flush. I want to see them break through heavy strong here. 15s. Oh, it's gonna do this again. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't do it again. No. Don't you dare. Gosh dang balls, dude. What the heck? Come on, keep flushing. It just had to wake me out first and then go down. Keep going. Keep going. Break-even trade here, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. No, don't go up. Go down. Keep going down. Go down, go down. Guys, pray for me, man. Speak. Do whatever you guys gotta do in your end. Do some voodooism or something. Make it go down. 5-minute close. Bearish. Go down. Go, 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 go. Alright, you know what? Screw it. I'm taking that. Well, back up. I keep playing around with my $400 profit. You know what? With that in mind, though, I'm going to go ahead and take this. This is just an evaluation, but I'm going to take that profit in because I do want to pass this account. So I don't want to, keep paying for evaluations because it adds up. They are not cheap, right? I'm not rich enough yet to where I can just willy-nilly buy. Oh, there we go. Now it's going. Now I really have to walk away because I'm going to be pissed that I chickened out early. But appreciate everybody tuning in. Doo-doo. Appreciate you tuning in, brother. Everybody, have a good night. And I will be back for the New York Open tomorrow. 8:30 my time, or the Open's at the same time for you guys. So, I mean, we all open at the same, not the same time zone, but at the same time, whatever it is for you. Other than that, folks, be smart about your trading. I will see you guys for